So, I have a very sad experience yesterday kasi I got scammed. And why I'm doing this video is to share the story, the experience, and then to also spread awareness. Kasi I think it's happening to a lot of people then. Yesterday, I was sleeping kasi I work at night. So, normally tulog ako ng araw. Then I received a phone call around 4 p.m. And then the guy said na he's from BPI. He sounded legitimate kasi parang ganito. Parang, hi, this is Rafael from BPI MasterCard and I just want to check or confirm if I'm speaking with stated name. So sinabi yung name ko, kompleto with my middle initial. Also confirm my billing address. Then he asked for my birthday to confirm daw or verify the account. Sabi ko, okay. And he asked for yung username dun sa online account ko for BPI. I gave it. And then, he told me na yung reason ng call is for a mandatory card replacement and then to update my credit limit. Kasi i-increase daw nila. Lastly, sinabi niya sa akin sa call is before they process the card replacement, need daw munang i-process yung mga points for redemption dun sa credit card ko. Associated sa account. And surprisingly, before pa nila ma-access yung account ko, alam nila yung last 4 digits ng card number. So yun. He told me na he is going to use my account remotely, ganyan, to process yung point redemption. So yun. I know it's embarrassing. I know it's really my fault kasi yun nga. Pero kasi parang na-realize ko na kahit gaano ka strong, kahit gaano ka brainy na tao, once na nabudol talaga ako or na-scam talaga ako, parang wala akong magawa. Wala akong laban kasi naibigay ko yung one-time passcode or yung OTP sa kanila. Na-access na lang account ko. Na-transfer nila yung laman which is 9,400. Yun lang yung last money ko yesterday. And then yung sahod ko next week pa. So, the experience is really devastating and depressing at the same time. I also gave them yung 3-digit number sa likod ng credit card number. They tried to use it but nung na-realize ko talaga na may mali na kasi I was really trembling and I'm really scared. Di ko na sinagot yung call, di ko na binigay OTP. Then I went to the nearest ATM machine and checked if meron pa yung pera ko doon. And sadly, wala na yung pera ko. Always remember then na bank will never ask you your OTP. And need talaga natin maging careful moving forward. Just don't get those people na ginagawa tong scam. They don't know how hard it is for us to kita yung pera. Wala lang, sad lang. Yun lang. Ingat kayo.